Hello guys, welcome to my channel Way to Merchant Navy once again. Today's topic is going to be if you have done any mistake in your DG shipping profile like your name, your personal address, your father's name, your date of birth, anything, then you can change it very easily from your home only online. No need to go MMD, no need to do any application form, no need to write any letter, anything. No need to do anything. Just with some clicks in your profile, from your profile you can easily correct your things. So today I'll show you how to do it. So I will like to jump in my laptop screen. You can see from there.
Okay, as I have said already that today I'll show you how to change your personal details. If you have put it wrongly, then you can do your changes online only. No need to do anything, it will change automatically. Now see, first you have to log in your account with your Windows and your password. Logged in, okay. Then see there's personal request for personal details correction in Seafarer profile. You have to click on that. Now see here, top left corner, request for correction of personal details. Click. See here you can only change your first page like your address, your father's name, your date of birth, everything you can change. So whatever you have done wrongly you can change. See the first column personal details and second column personal address details. Now this all details are existing profile, right? This all are existing profile. And see here proposed changes means which things you are on to change. You just need to put, suppose you want to change your address, something is written over there, suppose it written Kolkata, and suppose you want to change it like Hooghly, suppose you just need to put over, type over here Hooghly, okay, Hooghly. And you need some supportive documents for these changes, so you need to attach your passport original copy, that is sufficient actually. And I will prefer to upload your passport and your Windows also. Better both browse from your system and upload the file, and just I tick this box, I agree that the correction I made above confirmed, and if they have found invalid then my Windows is liable to be cancelled. So please don't do any bullshit. Whatever real information is there, if you really want to change then you do, and then submit correction. See how many times I have changed, many time I have changed. See first 3 times it has been rejected because that time I was not aware about this attached document, so I just change over here and just request, and that is why it has been rejected several times. But then I came to know about this document upload. You need to upload a document for the proof only. So and one thing I want to tell you that Saturday Sunday maybe sometimes it delayed, but on weekdays normally within 3 to 4 hours it will change, and after the change here it will show the approved status will be approved, and when you will print your profile you can see the changes whatever you have made, you can see.
So I have already shown you how to do it. It's very easy. So if you have done any mistake, no need to panic. Just follow the process. What I have shown, it will be done within few hours. So you can easily do, and it will reflect on your profile after changes has been made. So thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, for today that's it. See you in the next videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Signing off for the day. Thank you very much.